दीघ निकाय.
Long discourse is 5.
कूटदंत sutta.
With Kuttadanta.
खाणुमतक ब्राह्मणगः पतिका.
1. The Brahmins and householders of Kanumata.
एवं में सुतंग.
So I have heard.
एकं समयंग भगवा मगडेसु चारिकं चरमानो महता भिक्खुसंघेन सदिडिंग पंचमत्ते ही भिक्खुसते ही येना खाणुमतंग नाम मगडानंग ब्राह्मणगामो तदवसरि.
At one time the Buddha was wandering in the land of the Magadhans, together with a large Sangha of 500 mendicants when he arrived at a village of the Magadhan Brahmins, named Kanumata.
तत्र सुदंग भगवा खाणुमते विहरति अम्बलट्ठिकायंग.
There he stayed nearby at Ambalattika.
तेन अखो पन समयेन कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणो खाणुमतं अजावसति सतुसदंग सतृणकठोदकं सडन्यन्यंग राजभोगंग रनन्या मागडेन सेनियेन बिम्बिसारेन दिन्नंग राजदायंग ब्रह्मदेयंग.
Now at that time the Brahmin, Kuttadanta, was living in Kanumata. It was a crown property given by King Sanya, Bimbisara, of Magadha, teeming with living creatures, full of hay, wood, water, and grain, a royal park endowed to a Brahmin.
तेन अखो पन समयेन कूटदन्तस्य ब्राह्मणस्य महायन्यो उपखटो होति.
Now at that time Kuttadanta had prepared a great sacrifice.
सत्त च उसभसतानि सत्त च वच्छतरसतानि सत्त च वच्छतरिसतानि सत्त च अजसतानि सत्त च उरभसतानि थूणुपनीतानि होन्ति यण्यन्यथाय.
Bulls, bullocks, heifers, goats and rams, 700 of each, had been led to the post for the sacrifice.
असुसुं खो खाणुमतका ब्राह्मणगः पतिका.
The Brahmins and householders of Kanumata heard.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो सक्यपुत्तो सक्यकुला पब्बजितो मगडेसु चारिकं चरमानो महता भिक्खुसंघेन सदिडिंग पंचमत्ते ही भिक्खुसते ही खाणुमतं अनुपत्तो खाणुमते विहरति अम्बलट्ठिकायंग.
It seems the ascetic Gautama, a Sakyan, gone forth from a Sakyan family, has arrived at Kanumata, and is staying at Ambalattika.
तंग खो पन भवंतंग गोतमंग एवं कल्याणो कित्ते सद्दो अभुगतो.
He has this good reputation.
इतिपि सो भगवा अरहंग सम्मा संबुद्धो विजाचरण संपन्नो सुगतो लोकविदु अनुत्तरो पुरिसदम्म सारथि सत्था देवमनुसानंग बुद्धो भगवाति.
That blessed one is perfected, a fully awakened Buddha, accomplished in knowledge and conduct, holy, knower of the world, supreme guide for those fit for training, teacher of gods and humans, awakened, blessed.
So, imang, lokang, sadevakam, samarakang, sabrahamakang, sasamarabrahamaning, pajang, sadevamanusang, sayang, abhinyanya, सच्छैकत्वा पवेदेति.
He has realized with his own insight this world, with its gods, maras, and divinities, this population with its ascetics and Brahmins, gods and humans, and he makes it known to others.
So, Dhammang, Deseti, Adikalyanang, Majje Kalyanang, Paryosana Kalyanang, Sathang, Sabyanyajanang, Kevala Paripurnang, Parisuddhang, Brahmacharyang, Pakaseti.
He proclaims a teaching that is good in the beginning, good in the middle, and good in the end, meaningful and well phrased, and he reveals a spiritual practice that's entirely full and pure.
Sadhu, Kho, Pana, Tatharupanang, Arahatang, Dasanang, Hoti, Ti.
It's good to see such perfected ones.
Atha, Kho, Khanumataka, Brahmanagahapatika, Khanumata, Nikhamitva, Sangha Sanghi, Ganibhuta, Yena Ambalathika, Tenu Pasankamanti.
Then, exiting Kanumata, they formed into companies and headed to Ambalattika.
Tena Kho, Pana, Samayena Kutadanto, Brahmano, Uparipasade, Divaseyang, Upagato, Hoti.
Now at that time the Brahmin, Kuttadanta, had retired to the upper floor of his stilt longhouse for his midday nap.
Adasa, Kho, Kutadanto, Brahmano, Khanumatake, Brahmanagahapatike, Khanumata, Nikhamitva, Sangha Sanghi, Ganibhute, Yen, Ambalathika, Tenu Pasankamante.
He saw the Brahmins and householders heading for Ambalattika.
Disva, Khattang, Amantesi.
And addressed his butler.
King, Nu, Kho, Bho, Khatte, Khanumataka, Brahmanagahapatika, Khanumata, Nikhamitva, Sangha Sanghi, Ganibhuta, Yen, Ambalathika, Tenu Pasankamanti, Ti.
My butler, why are the Brahmins and householders headed for Ambalattika?
Athi, Kho, Bho, Samano, Gotamo, Sakyaputto, Sakyakula, Pabbajito, Magadesu, Charikang, Charamano, Mahata, Bhikkhu Sanghena, Sadiding, Panchamatehi, Bhikkhu Satehi, Khanumatang, Anupapatto, Khanumate, Viharati, Ambalathekayang.
The ascetic Gautama has arrived at Kanumata and is staying at Ambalattika.
Tang, Kho, Pan, Bhavantang, Gotamang, Evam, Kalyano, Kitte Saddo, Abhugato.
He has this good reputation.
Itipi, so, Bhagava, Arahang, Samma Sambuddho, Vijacharan Sampanno, Sugato, Lokavidu, Anuttaro, Purisadam Masarathi, Sattha, Deva Manusanang, Buddho, Bhagavati.
That blessed one is perfected, a fully awakened Buddha, accomplished in knowledge and conduct, holy, knower of the world, supreme guide for those fit for training, teacher of gods and humans, awakened, blessed.
Tamete, Bhavantang, Gotamang, Dasanaya, Upasankamanti, Ti.
They're going to see that worthy Gautama.
Atha Kho, Kuttadantassa Brahmanassa, Etadahosi.
Then Kuttadanta thought,
Sutang, Kho, Pana Metang.
I've heard that.
Samano, Gotamo, Tividang, Yanyanya Sampadang, Solasaparikarang, Janati iti.
The ascetic Gautama knows how to accomplish the sacrifice with 3 modes and 16 accessories.
Na akho panahang janami tividang yanyanya sampadang solasa parikharang.
I don't know about that.
Ichhami chahang mahayanyang yajitung.
But I wish to perform a great sacrifice.
Yanunahang samanang gotamang upasankamitva tividang yanyanya sampadang solasa parikharang puchhayan.
Why don't I ask him how to accomplish the sacrifice with 3 modes and 16 accessories?
Atha akho kutadanto brahmano khatang amantesi.
Then Kutadanta addressed his butler.
Tena hi bho khatte yena khanumataka brahmanagahapatika tenupasankama upasankamitva khanumatake brahmanagahapatike evang vadehi.
Well then, go to the Brahmins and householders and say to them,
Kutadanto bho brahmano evamaha.
Sirs, the Brahmin, Kutadanta, asks,
Agamentu kira bhavanto kutadantopi brahmano samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisati.
You to wait, as he will also go to see the ascetic Gautama.
Evang bho ti kho so khatta kutadantassa brahmanassa patisutva yena khanumataka brahmanagahapatika tenupasankame upasankamitva khanumatake brahmanagahapatike etadavocha.
Yes, worthy sir, replied the butler, and did as he was asked.
Kutadanto bho brahmano evamaha. Agamentu kira bhonto kutadantopi brahmano samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisati. Kutadanta gunakatha.
2. The qualities of Kutadanta.
Tena akho pana samayena anekani brahmanasatani khanumate pativasanti.
Now at that time several hundred Brahmins were residing in Kanumata.
Kutadantassa brahmanassa mahayanyang anubhavisama.
Thinking to participate in Kutadanta's sacrifice.
Asusung kho te brahmana.
They heard that.
Kutadanto kira brahmano samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisati.
Kutadanta was going to see the ascetic Gautama.
अथ खो ते ब्राह्मणा येन कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणो तेनुपसंकमिंसु उपसंकमित्वा कूटदन्तं ब्राह्मणं एतदवोचुं.
They approached Kutadanta, and said to him,
Satyang kira bhavam kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisati.
Is it really true that you are going to see the ascetic Gautama?
Evam kho me bho hoti.
Yes, gentlemen, it is true.
Ahampi samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisami. Ma bhavam kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankame.
Please don't.
Na arahati bhavam kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamitum.
It's not appropriate for you to go to see the ascetic Gautama.
Sache bhavam kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamisati bhoto kutadantassa yaso haisati samanassa gotamassa yaso abhivadhissati.
For if you do so, your reputation will diminish and his will increase.
Yampi bhoto kutadantassa yaso haisati samanassa gotamassa yaso abhivadhissati imina pangena na arahati bhavang kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamitum.
For this reason it's not appropriate for you to go to see the ascetic Gautama.
Samano tveva gotamo arahati bhavantang kutadantang dasanaya upasankamitum.
It's appropriate that he comes to see you.
Bhavanyahi kutadanto ubhato sujato matito cha piteto cha sangsudagahaniko yav sattama pitamahayuga akhito anupakutho jativadena.
You are well born on both your mother's and father's side, of pure descent, with irrefutable and impeccable genealogy back to the 7th paternal generation.
Yampi bhavam kutadanto ubhato sujato matito cha piteto cha sangsudagahaniko yav sattama pitamahayuga akhito anupakutho jativadena imina pangena na arahati bhavang kutadanto samanang gotamang dasanaya upasankamitum.
For this reason it's not appropriate for you to go to see the ascetic Gautama.
Samano tveva gotamo arahati bhavantang kutadantang dasanaya upasankamitum.
It's appropriate that he comes to see you.
Bhavanyahi kutadanto adho mahadidano mahabhogo pahutavittupakarano pahutajataruparajyato. P.
You're rich, affluent, and wealthy, with lots of property and assets, and lots of money and grain.
Bhavanyahi kutadanto ajayako mantadaro tinang vedanang paragu sanighanduketubhanang sakharapabhedanang itihasapanchamanang padako vyakarano lokayata mahapurisalakhanesu anavayo. P.
You recite and remember the hymns, and have mastered the 3 Vedas, together with their vocabularies and ritual performance, their phonology and word classification, and the Testaments as fifth. You know them word by word, and their grammar. You are well versed in cosmology and the marks of a great man.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो अभिरूपो दर्शनीयो पासादिको परमाय वर्णपोखरताय समन्नागतो ब्रह्मवर्णी ब्रह्मवक्षसि अखुड्दावकाशो दर्शनाय पे.
You are attractive, good-looking, lovely, of surpassing beauty. You have divine looks and luster, remarkable to behold.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो शीलवा वुदडशीली वुदडशीलेन समन्नागतो पे.
You are ethical, mature in ethical conduct.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो कल्याणवाचो कल्याणवकरणो पोर्या वाचाय समन्नागतो विसट्ठाय अनेलगलय अथस्य विनिज्ञापनीया पे.
You're a good speaker who enunciates well, with a polished, clear, and articulate voice that expresses the meaning.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो बहुनङ् आचार्यपाचार्यो तीणि माणवकसतानि मन्ते वाचयति बहु खो पन नानादिशा नानाजनपदा माणवका आगच्छन्ति भूतो कूटदन्तस्य सन्ति के मन्तथिका मन्ते अड्ययितुकामा पे.
You teach the tutors of many, and teach 300 young students to recite the hymns. Many students come from various districts and countries for the sake of the hymns, wishing to learn the hymns.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो जिर्णो वुदिडो महल्लको अदिरगतो वयो अनुपपत्तो.
You're old, elderly and senior, advanced in years, and have reached the final stage of life.
समणो गोतमो तरुणो चैव तरुणपब्बजितो च पे.
The ascetic Gautama is young, and has newly gone forth.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो रण्यन्यो मागधस्य सेनियस्य बिम्बिसारस्य सक्कतो गरुकतो मानितो पूजितो अपचितो पे.
You're honored, respected, revered, venerated, and esteemed by King Bimbisara, of Magadha.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणस्य पुखरसातिस्य सक्कतो गरुकतो मानितो पूजितो अपचितो पे.
And the Brahmin, Pokharasati.
भवन्यहि कूटदन्तो खाणुमतं अजावसति सतुसदं सतृणकठोदकं सडन्यन्यं राजभोगं रण्यन्या मागधेन सेनियेन बिम्बिसारेण दिन्नं राजदायं ब्रह्मदेयं.
You live in Kanumata, a crown property given by King Sanya, Bimbisara, of Magadha, teeming with living creatures, full of hay, wood, water, and grain, a royal park endowed to a Brahmin.
यम्पि भवं कूटदन्तो खाणुमतं अजावसति सतुसदं सतृणकठोदकं सडन्यन्यं राजभोगं रण्यन्या मागधेन सेनियेन बिम्बिसारेण दिन्नं राजदायं ब्रह्मदेयं इमिना पंगेन न अर्हति भवं कूटदन्तो समणं गोतमं दस्सनाय उपसंकमितुं.
For this reason it's not appropriate for you to go to see the ascetic Gotama.
समणो त्वेव गोतमो अर्हति भवन्तं कूटदन्तं दस्सनाय उपसंकमितुं.
It's appropriate that he comes to see you.
Buddha Gunakatha.
3. The qualities of the Buddha.
Evam vutte kutadanto brahmano te brahmane etadavocha.
When they had spoken, Kutadanta said to those Brahmins,
Tena hi bho mamapi sunatha yatha mayameva arhama tang bhavantang gotamang dassanaya upasankamitung.
Well then, gentlemen, listen to why it's appropriate for me to go to see the ascetic Gotama.
Na tveva arahati so bhavang gotamo amhakang dassanaya upasankamitung.
And it's not appropriate for him to come to see me.
Samano khalu bho gotamo ubhato sujato mateto cha peteto cha sangsudagahaniko yav sattama pitamahayuga akhito anupakutho jativadena.
He is well born on both his mother's and father's side, of pure descent, with irrefutable and impeccable genealogy back to the 7th paternal generation.
Yampi bho samano gotamo ubhato sujato mateto cha piteto cha sangsudagahaniko yav sattama pitamahayuga akhito anupakutho jativadena imina pangena na arahati so bhavang gotamo amhakang dassanaya upasankamitung.
For this reason it's not appropriate for the ascetic Gotama to come to see me.
Atha akho mayameva arahama tang bhavantang gotamang dassanaya upasankamitung.
Rather, it's appropriate for me to go to see him.
Samano khalu bho gotamo mahantang nyate sanghang ohaya pabbajito. Pe.
When he went forth he abandoned a large family circle.
Samano khalu bho gotamo pahutang hiranyanya suvarnang ohaya pabbajito bhumigatan cha vehasathang cha. Pe.
When he went forth he abandoned abundant gold, both coined and uncoined, stored above and below ground.
Samano khalu bho gotamo daharova samano yuva susukalakeso bhadrena yobbanena samanagato pathamena vayasa agarasama anagaryang pabbajito. Pe.
He went forth from the lay life to homelessness while still a youth, young, with pristine black hair, blessed with youth, in the prime of life.
Samano khalu bho gotamo akamakanang matapitunang assumukhanang rudantanang ke samassun oharetva kasayani vathani achhadetva agarasma anagaryang pabbajito. Pe.
Though his mother and father wished otherwise, Weeping with tearful faces, he shaved off his hair and beard, dressed in ochre robes, and went forth from the lay life to homelessness.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो अभिरूपो दर्शनीयो पासादिको परमाय वर्णपोखरतय समन्नागतो ब्रह्मवर्णी ब्रह्मवच्छसि अखुड्दावकाशो दर्शनाय पे.
He is attractive, good-looking, lovely, of surpassing beauty. He has divine looks and luster, remarkable to behold.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो शीलवा अर्यशीली कुशलशीली कुशलशीलेन समन्नागतो पे.
He is ethical, possessing ethical conduct that is noble and skillful.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो कल्याणवाचो कल्याणवकरणो पोरिया वाचाय समन्नागतो विसट्ठाय अनेलगलय अथस्य विनयन्यापन्या पे.
He's a good speaker who enunciates well, with a polished, clear, and articulate voice that expresses the meaning.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो बहुनंग आचार्य पाचर्यो पे.
He's a tutor of tutors.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो क्षीणकामरागो विगतचापल्लो पे.
He has ended sensual desire, and is rid of caprice.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो कम्मवादी किरियवादी अपापपुरे खारो ब्रह्मण्यन्याय पजाय पे.
He teaches the efficacy of deeds and action. He doesn't wish any harm upon the community of Brahmins.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो उच्चा कुला पब्बजितो असंभिन्नक हत्य कुला पे.
He went forth from an eminent family of unbroken aristocratic lineage.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो अड्ढा कुला पब्बजितो महदिडना महाभोगा पे.
He went forth from a rich, affluent, and wealthy family.
समणंग खलु भो गोतमंग तिरुरट्ठा तिरुजनपदा पनेहंग पुच्छेतुंग आगच्छन्ति पे.
People come from distant lands and distant countries to question him.
समणंग खलु भो गोतमंग अनेकानि देवता सहस्राणि पाणेहि शरणंग गतानि पे.
Many thousands of deities have gone for refuge for life to him.
समणंग खलु भो गोतमंग एवं कल्याणो कीर्तिसद्दो अभुगतो.
He has this good reputation.
इतिपि सो भगवा अरहंग सम्मा संबुद्धो विजाचरण संपन्नो सुगतो लोकविदु अनुत्तरो पुरिसदम्म सारथि सत्था देवमनुसानंग बुद्धो भगवाति पे.
That blessed one is perfected, a fully awakened Buddha, accomplished in knowledge and conduct, holy, knower of the world, supreme guide for those fit for training, teacher of gods and humans, awakened, blessed.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो द्वत्तिंस महापुरुषलक्षणैहि समन्नागतो पे.
He has the 32 marks of a great man.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो एहि स्वागतवादी सखिलो सम्मोदको अभाकुटिको उत्तानमुखो पुब्बभासी पे
He is welcoming, congenial, polite, smiling, open, the first to speak.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो चतुननंग परसानंग सक्कतो गरुकतो मानितो पूजितो अपचितो पे
He's honored, respected, revered, venerated, and esteemed by the four assemblies.
समणे खलु भो गोतमे बहु देवा च मनुस्सा च अभिप्रसन्ना पे
Many gods and humans are devoted to him.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो यस्मिं गामे वा निगमे वा पटिवसति न तस्मिं गामे वा निगमे वा अमनुस्सा मनुस्से विहितेन्ति पे
While he is residing in a village or town, non-human entities do not harass them.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो संघी गणी गणाचार्यो पुथुत ठकरानंग अगगमखायति यथा खो पन भो एते संग समण ब्राह्मणानंग यथा वा तथा वा यशो समुदागच्छति न हेवंग समणस्य गोतमस्य यशो samudagato.
He leads an order and a community, and tutors a community, and is said to be the best of the various religious founders. He didn't come by his fame in the same ways as those other ascetics and Brahmins.
Atha kho anuttaraya vijacharan sampadaya samanasya gotamasya yaso samudagato. Pe.
Rather, he came by his fame due to his supreme knowledge and conduct.
Samanang khalu bho gotamang raja magado sinio bimbisaro saputto sabhariyo sapariso samacho panehi saranang gato pe
King Sania, Bimbisara, of Magadha, and his wives and children have gone for refuge for life to the ascetic Gautama.
Samanang khalu bho gotamang raja pasenadi kosalo saputto sabhariyo sapariso samacho panehi saranang gato pe
King Pasenadi, of Kosala, and his wives and children have gone for refuge for life to the ascetic Gautama.
Samanang khalu bho gotamang brahmano pokharasati saputto sabhariyo sapariso samacho panehi saranang gato pe
The Brahmin, Pokharasati, and his wives and children have gone for refuge for life to the ascetic Gautama.
Samano khalu bho gotamo raninyo magadassa seniassa bimbisarassa sakkato garukato manito pujito apachito pe
He's honored, respected, revered, venerated, and esteemed by King Bimbisara, of Magadha.
Samano khalu bho gotamo raninyo pasinadissa kosalassa sakkato garukato manito pujito apachito pe
King Pasenadi, of Kosala.
Samano khalu bho gotamo brahmanassa pokharasatissa sakkato garukato manito pujito अपचितो पे
And the Brahmin, Potkarasati.
समणो खलु भो गोतमो खाणुमतंग अनुपपत्तो खाणुमते विहरति अम्बलट्ठेकायंग.
The ascetic Gautama has arrived at Kanumata and is staying at Ambalattika.
ये खो पन भो केची समणा वा ब्राह्मणा वा अम्हाकं गामखेतं आगच्छन्ति अतिथि नो ते होन्ति.
Any ascetic or Brahmin who comes to stay in our village district is our guest.
अतिथि खो पनमहेहि सक्का तब्बा गरुका तब्बा माने तब्बा पुजे तब्बा अपचे तब्बा.
And should be honored and respected as such.
यम्पि भो समणो गोतमो खाणुमतंग अनुपपत्तो खाणुमते विहरति अम्बलट्ठेकायंग अतिथिमहाकं समणो गोतमो. अतिथि खो पनमहेहि सक्का तब्बो गरुका तब्बो माने तब्बो पुजे तब्बो अपचे तब्बो. इमिना पंगेना नारहति सो भवम गोतमो अम्हाकं दस्सनाय उपसंकमितुं.
For this reason, too, it's not appropriate for the worthy Gautama to come to see me.
अथ खो मयमेव अरहम तंग भवन्तं गोतमं दस्सनाय उपसंकमितुं.
Rather, it's appropriate for me to go to see him.
एतके खो अहं भो तस्स भोतो गोतमस्स वणे पर्यापुणामि नो च खो सो भवंग गोतमो एतकवणो.
This is the extent of the worthy Gautama's praise that I have memorized, but his praises are not confined to this.
अपरिमाणवणो हि सो भवम गोतमो ति.
For the praise of the worthy Gautama is limitless.
एवं वुत्ते ते ब्राह्मणा कूटदन्तंग ब्राह्मणं एतदवोचुंग.
When he had spoken, those Brahmins said to him,
यथा खो भवम कूटदन्तो समणस्स गोतमस्स वणे भासति इतो चेपि सो भवम गोतमो योजनसते विहरति अलमेव सदृडेन कुलपुत्तेन दस्सनाय उपसंकमितुं अपि पुटोसेना.
According to Kuttadanta's praises, if the worthy Gautama were staying within 100 leagues, it'd be worthwhile for a faithful gentleman to go to see him, even if he had to carry his own provisions in a knapsack.
तेन हि भो सब्बेव मयंग समणं गोतमं दस्सनाय उपसंकमिस्सामा.
Well then, gentlemen, let's all go to see the ascetic Gautama.
महाविजितराजयन्यकथा.
4. The story of King Mahavijita's sacrifice.
अथ खो कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणो महता ब्राह्मणगणेन सदृङ् येन अम्बलट्ठिका येन भगवा उपसंकमित्वा भगवता सदृङ् सम्मोदि.
Then Kuttadanta, together with a large group of Brahmins, went to see the Buddha, and exchanged greetings with him.
सम्मोदनीयं कथं सारणीयं वीतसारेत्वा एकमन्तं निसीदि.
When the greetings and polite conversation were over, he sat down to one side.
खाणुमतकापि खो ब्राह्मणगृहपतिका अप्पेकच्चे भगवन्तंग अभिवादेत्वा एकमन्तंग निसीदिंसु अप्पेकच्चे भगवता सदिडिंग सम्मोदिंसु सम्मोदनीयं कथंग सारणीयं वीतसारेत्वा एकमन्तंग निसीदिंसु अप्पेकच्चे येन भगवा तेन निजलिंग पणमेत्वा एकमन्तंग निसीदिंसु अप्पेकच्चे नामगोत्तंग सावेत्वा एकमन्तंग निसीदिंसु अप्पेकच्चे तुण्हीभूता एकमन्तंग निसीदिंसु.
Before sitting down to one side, some of the Brahmins and householders of Kanumata bowed, some exchanged greetings and polite conversation, some held up their joined palms toward the Buddha, some announced their name and clan, while some kept silent.
एकमन्तंग निसीनो खो कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणो भगवन्तंग एतदवोचा.
Kutadanta said to the Buddha,
सुतंग मेतंग भो गोतमा.
Worthy Gautama, I've heard that.
समणो गोतमो तिविडंग यन्यन्य संपदंग सोलसपरिखारंग जानातीति.
You know how to accomplish the sacrifice with 3 modes and 16 accessories.
न अखो पनाहंग जानामि तिविडंग यन्यन्य संपदंग सोलसपरिखारंग.
I don't know about that.
इच्छामि चाहंग महायन्यं यजितुं.
But I wish to perform a great sacrifice.
साडु में भवम गोतमो तिविडंग यन्यन्य संपदंग सोलसपरिखारंग देसेतु.
Please teach me how to accomplish the sacrifice with 3 modes and 16 accessories.
तेन हि ब्राह्मण सुनाहि साडुकं मनसी करोहि भासी सामे.
Well then, Brahmin, listen and apply your mind well, I will speak.
एवं भो ति खो कूटदन्तो ब्राह्मणो भगवतो पच्चसुसि.
Yes, worthy sir, Kutadanta replied.
भगवा एतदवोचा.
The Buddha said this.
भूतपुब्बंग ब्राह्मण राजा महाविजितो नाम अहोसी अड्ढो महदिडनो महाभोगो पहूत जातरूपरजतो पहूत वित्तुपकरणो पहूत डनडनिन्यो परिपूर्ण कुसकोट्हागारो.
Once upon a time, Brahmin, there was a king named Mahavijita. He was rich, affluent, and wealthy, with lots of gold and silver, lots of property and assets, lots of money and grain, and a full treasury and storehouses.
अथ अखो ब्राह्मण रनिन्यो महाविजितस्य रहोगतस्य पटिसलीनस्य एवं चेतसो परिवितक्को उदपादि.
Then as King Mahavijita was in private retreat, this thought came to his mind.
अडिगता खो में विपुला मानुसका भोगा महंतंग पथा विमंडलंग अभिविज्य अज्जावसामे यन्नुनाहंग महायन्यं यजयं यं मम अस्य दीघरतंग हिताय सुखायाति.
I have achieved human wealth and reign after conquering this vast territory. Why don't I hold a large sacrifice that will be for my lasting welfare and happiness?
अथ अखो ब्राह्मण राजा महाविजितो पुरोहितं ब्राह्मणं आमन्त्रित्वा एतदवोचा.
Then he summoned the Brahmin, high priest, and said to him,
इदा मयहं ब्राह्मण रहोगतस्य पटिस्य लीनस्य एवं चेतसो परिवितको उदपादि.
Just now, Brahmin, as I was in private retreat, this thought came to mind.
अडिगता खो में विपुला मानुसका भोगा महंतंग पथा विमंडलंग अभिविज्य अज्जावसामे यन्नुनाहं महायन्यंग यजेयंग यंग मम अस्य दीघरतंग हिताय सुखाया.
I have achieved human wealth and reign after conquering this vast territory. Why don't I perform a great sacrifice that will be for my lasting welfare and happiness?
इच्छामहं ब्राह्मण महायन्यं यजितुं.
Brahmin, I wish to perform a great sacrifice.
अनुशासतु मं भवं यं मम अस्य दीघरतंग हिताय सुखायाति.
Please instruct me. It will be for my lasting welfare and happiness.
एवं वुक्ते ब्राह्मण पुरोहितो ब्राह्मणो राजानंग महाविजितं एतदवोचा.
When he had spoken, the Brahmin, high priest, said to him,
भूतो खो रण्यन्यो जनपदो सकंटको सौपीलो गामघातापि दिस्सन्ति निगमघातापि दिस्सन्ति नगरघातापि दिस्सन्ति पंथदुहनापि दिस्सन्ति.
Sir, the king's realm is harried and oppressed. Raiding of villages, towns, and cities has been seen, and infesting of highways.
भवं खो पन राजा एवं सकंटके जनपदे सौपीले बलिमुद्रेय अकिच्चकारी अस्य तेन भवं राजा.
But if the king were to extract more taxes while his realm is thus harried and oppressed, he would not be doing his duty.
सिया खो पन भूतो रण्यो एवमस्य.
Now the king might think,
अहमेतं दसुखीलं वदेन वा बंदेन वा जानिया वा गर्हाय वा पबाजनाय वा समूहनिसमेति न खो पनेतस्य दसुखीलस्य एवं सम्मा समूघातो होति.
I'll eradicate this plague of savages by execution or imprisonment or confiscation or condemnation or banishment. But that's not the right way to eradicate this plague of savages.
ये ते हतावसिसका भविष्यन्ति ते पच्छा रण्यो जनपदं विहितस्सन्ति.
Those who remain after the killing will return to harass the king's realm.
अपि च खो इदं संविधानं आगम एवमेतस्य दसुखीलस्य समा समुद्घातो होति.
Rather, here is a plan, relying on which the plague of savages will be properly uprooted.
तेन हि भवं राजा ये भूतो रण्यो जनपदे उत्सहन्ति कसी गोरखे ते संग भवं राजा बीजभतंग अनुपपदेतु.
So let the king provide seed and fodder for those in the realm who work in growing crops and raising cattle.
ये भूतो रण्यो जनपदे उत्सहन्ति वाणिज्याय ते संग भवं राजा पाभतं अनुपपदेतु.
Let the king provide funding for those who work in trade.
ये भूतो रण्यन्यो जनपदे उत्सहन्ति राजपुरसे ते संग भवम राजा भत्तवेतनंग पकपेतु.
Let the king guarantee food and wages for those in government service.
ते च मनुस्सा सकम्मा पसुता रण्यन्यो जनपदं न विहितः.
Then the people, occupied with their own work, will not harass the realm.
महा च रण्यन्यो राशिको भविष्यति.
The king's revenues will be great.
खेमठिता जनपदा अकंटका अनुपीला मनुस्सा मुडा मोदमाना उड़े पुत्ते नचिंता अपारुतधरा मन्यन्ये विहरसन्तीति.
When the country is secured as a sanctuary, free of being harried and oppressed, the happy people, with joy in their hearts, dancing with children at their breast, will dwell as if their houses were wide open.
एवं भूति खो ब्राह्मण राजा महाविजितो पुरोहितस्य ब्राह्मणस्य पटिसुत्वा ये रण्यन्यो जनपदे उत्सहिंसु कसी गोरखे ते संग राजा महाविजितो बीजभत्तंग अनुपपदासी.
The king agreed with the high priest's advice and followed his recommendation.
ये च रण्यन्यो जनपदे उत्सहिंसु वाणिज्याय ते संग राजा महाविजितो पाभतंग अनुपपदासी. ये च रण्यन्यो जनपदे उत्सहिंसु राजपुरसे ते संग राजा महाविजितो भत्तवेतनंग पकपेसी. ते च मनुस्सा सकम्मा पसुता रण्यन्यो जनपदं न विहितहिंसु महा च रण्यन्यो राशिको अहोसी. खेमठिता जनपदा अकंटका अनुपीला मनुस्सा मुडा मोदमाना उड़े पुत्ते नचिंता अपारुतधरा मन्यन्ये विहरिंसु. अथ अखो ब्राह्मण राजा महाविजितो पुरोहितं ब्राह्मणं आमन्त्रित्वा एतदवोचा.
Then the king summoned the Brahmin, high priest, and said to him,
समूहतो खो में भूतो दसुखीलो भूतो संविदानंग आगम महा च में राशिको.
I have eradicated the plague of savages, and relying on your plan my revenue is now great.
खेमठिता जनपदा अकंटका अनुपीला मनुस्सा मुडा मोदमाना उड़े पुत्ते नचिंता अपारुतधरा मन्यन्ये विहरन्ति.
Since the country is secured as a sanctuary, free of being harried and oppressed, the happy people, with joy in their hearts, dancing with children at their breast, dwell as if their houses were wide open.
Ichhamahang Brahmana Mahayanyang Yajitung.
Brahmin, I wish to perform a great sacrifice.
Anusasatu